everyone. Today I'm sharing with you a very delicious recipe from subcontinent, Nihari. Let's start by mixing 50 gram whole wheat flour with water. I'm doing it with a whisker very slowly so that there are no lumps inside. Let's cook beef. I'm using beef with bones. We have to fry it in the oil. I'm using a Nihari Mix Masala. You can use any brand you like. This masala gives a very good color to Nihari. Now I am adding 500 milliliter water because I don't want it to be very thin. We'll cover the pressure cooker and cook it for 20 minutes. After that, you can see that beef is tendered. Let's add the whole wheat flour mix. We have to keep stirring and adding the flour at the same time. It's time to fry onions. You can skip it if you don't like onions, but I really like the taste of onions in Nihari. Add onion with the oil in Nihari and we are done. Serve it with fresh naan or rice, whatever you like. And tell me, how was the recipe? Thank you.